Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 27th, 2020. This is our updated latest price forecast prediction for XRP. And we're going to talk about some things that we've been noticing since our last video regarding whether or not XRP will eventually go higher in price. I know the market has been stagnated. It hasn't been moving as much as what many people may expect, but we'll talk about it. But before I get started in that, make sure you hit that like button if you guys appreciate the video, share the video, and then subscribe to our channel. Follow us on our website at HueFin in order to become part of our community, because that is the location to where we're watching the footprints of the market trapper for the many other cryptocurrencies in this space today. All right, so like I said, the last time we did our video in XRP was on the 23rd of May. So let's zoom in and let's talk about how the market has performed since that video. Real quick, 23rd was right here. We were still going to continue with our original forecast that we did all the way back on the 20th with the expectation of XRP moving higher in price. It hasn't really done that. But one of the things I want to pinpoint to you is how the market in XRP really is emphasizing that 19 cents is where the location of support really is. We had our support area around 19.5 cents, but generally the market overall has been trading well above 19 cents on a daily basis. That's a positive thing. Now, since we did our video the last 2 days, from the 23rd and then again on the 20th for XRP, you can tell that overall the market has really been stagnating. We've just been trading in a very tight range. So this gives us even more opportunity to try to reevaluate what the market trapper is trying to do in XRP. Considering that we've been looking for this market in XRP to move higher over the last 2 videos, we're going to go ahead and take this one off as a loss. Forecast at 1.35% if you were to get out today. Okay, now that doesn't mean that I'm not emphasizing that XRP is not going to move higher, but we just wanted to erase what we expected the market to do in XRP on the 23rd and on the 20th of May and actually look further, give us a fresh pair of eyes to see exactly what the market in XRP or the market trapper is trying to do with XRP. Okay, so let's switch this over to a weekly time frame real quick. And let's take a look at how the market generally has been in the long term. And so far, the market is looking real well in terms of maintaining what has already occurred. That simply means that holding 19 cents for support and that restriction level at 21 cents. So even though last week the market in XRP closed on the low, currently with the light volume that we have coming in, that still looks pretty good to see XRP move higher. Looking at XRP on the monthly time frame, the monthly time frame is giving us a probable precursors of strength, simply meaning that for the month of June, XRP will definitely have to close higher than the close of the month of May. That's it. So this is kind of a wash on the monthly time frame for XRP. 4-hour chart in XRP, you guys can still see how the market has distinguished and shown us that 19 cents is where the market trapper is holding support. So long as XRP trades above that price, it will continue to consolidate and try to move higher. No doubt about it. And this level of trading in this channel, 19 cents for support and then 20.5 cents for restriction, is still going. It is still ongoing, but the market generally is overpowering the weakness. Okay, I don't see a lot of weakness really being played out in XRP. It is there simply because the market is just trading in the channel. But the multiple time frames that you continue to look at XRP, you can tell that the market is definitely upholding the weakness that is trying to play out on a daily to an hourly basis. Okay, matter of fact, you can see right now that 20 cents is plaguing XRP from shooting higher in price. But so long as we maintain 19 cents, 19.5 cents, this market in XRP is still going to maintain consolidational trading and moving higher. 2-hour chart. Again, you guys can still see here that generally the market is not tired. I would like to have seen XRP crack above this 20 cent level, because if so, that would definitely be a huge major indication that the trapper is going to continue to push this value higher in XRP. We're not there yet. So what I'm going to tell you is expect the market to maintain what it has been doing already since May the 10th. All right, that process is still ongoing. But I'm telling you, so long as the market trades above 19 cents, XRP is going to do that and increase the probability of it continuing to move higher. But the moment that we get weakness right here around 19 cents, expect the forecast that we're about to do to be voided. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and play a forecast into the market for XRP with the expectation of it continuing to see the movement higher in price. But again, it's very contingent on 19 cents being maintained for support. And ultimately, we're going to hold this 21 cent level for restriction. But we have many areas, minor areas of restriction that XRP will have to break above in order to really hit 21 cents. And I'm going to show you what that is. So the first level is 20 cents. That's the first area of restriction. Second area will be 20.5 cents. That would be the next location into the market for XRP to find some more sellers. All right. So generally, what I'm telling you is that I'm still expecting the market in XRP to really trade this consolidational range. The longer that we are not able to break above 20 cents, the less likely it is that XRP will move higher. So the sooner we break across 20 cents, the more bullish XRP is going to move higher. I'm telling you that right now. So we're going to continue to play the forecast in XRP with a market move higher. Contingency is going to be on that 19 cent area being maintained for support. Any weakness come in at that level, this whole area of XRP trading in a sideways fashion is broken, and the weakness is still dominating this currency. But I'm not seeing that yet. So that's why we're going to continue to push XRP, watching the footprints of the market trapper, pushing XRP higher in price. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I will talk to y'all on the next one.